Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2018 Harley-Davidson TRIGLIDE Ultra Classic Anniversary Edition runs and rides well and passes New Hampshire State inspection. This bike is numbered 1,411 of only 1,900 produced. It has brand new rear tires and has been upgraded with aftermarket grips, a luggage rack, passenger grab handles, a bumper, and an HD motor coast seat. Powered by a 107 cubic inch V-twin engine with a 6-speed transmission, the TRIGLIDE offers dependable power with 114 foot-pounds of low-end torque. If you're looking for a powerful factory trike with classic styling and comfortable amenities, the TRIGLIDE would be a great option. It has a seat height of 27.1 inches and a dry weight of 1,204 pounds. From the factory, it comes equipped with a multifunction 4-speaker stereo system, cruise control, reverse, navigation, and CB intercom connections. This vehicle has received our premium service in detail and comes covered under a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.